Let's go to linear variable differential transformer. এটাকে আমি কাল পড়িয়েছিলাম। I will give you a short recapitulation here. What happened to this one? Now fine. Linear variable differential transformer is a inductive transducer. It has a movable core, one primary winding and two secondary winding. If the core moves left, then the voltage induced in one of this winding, the right side winding, will be less and the left side winding will be more, because left side winding have all of the core in it, but right side will have less of the core in it. This causes less voltage to be induced in right side than left side, and the output voltage from the secondary is actually difference between both the secondary voltages. Let's see the diagram. Yeah, this one. The output voltage is equal to difference between both secondary voltage. If the core is moved left, Vs1 will be greater than Vs2. This will cause output voltage to be positive. But if the core is moved right, then the voltage induced in Vs2 will be more than Vs1, causing the output to be negative. That is the first part. And the last will be the null position, where the core is at the center induced, which causes both voltage to be same and the output will be 0. But there is one problem. The problem is, as we have discussed in the lab class, that due to some stray magnetic field or harmonic, there will be small voltage even at the null position. That voltage is called residual voltage. Although I have not covered this in this chapter, we will cover this in next chapter. Now, what about the advantages? Sorry, application. LVDT can be used as primary transducer and secondary transducer. এটা কিন্তু কালকে ল্যাবের কোশ্চেনে ছিল। If it is used as primary transducer, it can measure small displacement. Only এইটুকুই কাজ. If it is a primary transducer, small displacement মাপে। কত small? Around millimeter or centimeter range. ওর থেকে বেশি না। And if it is used as secondary transducer, ওটাকে তুমি force, weight or pressure মাপাতে পারো। But how? Somehow you have to use something else. একটা primary transducer use করতে হবে। So basically second part is LVDT. LVDT output electrical voltage. LVDT input is something, some displacement তোমাকে তৈরি করতে হবে. You can use a primary transducer যাতে তুমি ইনপুট গুলো দিলে, সেই ইনপুট গুলো হতে পারে ফোর্স, ইনপুট হতে পারে ওয়েট, ইনপুট হতে পারে প্রেসার। যদি ফোর্স ইনপুট হয়, প্রাইমারি ট্রান্সডিউসারের নাম হবে লোড সেল। যদি প্রেসার হয়, ফোর্স আর ওয়েটের কিন্তু এটা সেম। যদি প্রেসার হয়, ইট উইল বি বর্ডন টিউব। এই কোয়েশ্চেনটা কিন্তু এতে ল্যাবে ছিল। দুটোর ক্ষেত্রেই force or weight is first converted to displacement, then to electrical voltage. Next come advantage and disadvantage. LVDT advantage হচ্ছে অনেকটাই মেজারমেন্ট করা যায় ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টের। although অনেকটা means সেন্টিমিটার আর মিলিমিটার, এটা মনে রেখো। it is not like 1 মিটার ডিসটেন্স তুমি মাপতে পারবে। সেকেন্ডলি হচ্ছে LVDT accuracy কিন্তু হাই। it can measure displacement more accurately. আর ফ্রিকশনও কম হয়, because since the core is not in contact with any of the windings or any of the primary or secondary, the core gets a frictionless surface. অলসো আমি যেটা এখনই বললাম, ওয়াইন্ডিং এর সাথে কোরের কোনো কিন্তু ইলেকট্রিক্যাল রিলেশন নেই। দে আর সাসপেন্ডেড, দ্য কোর ইজ সাসপেন্ডেড উইদিন দ্য ওয়াইন্ডিংস and the windings and cores are laminated, so they are basically electrically isolated, তাই কারেন্ট খাওয়ার ভয় নেই কোরটাকে ধরলে। এলভিডিটি হাই আউটপুট তৈরি করতে পারে because basically it's a transformer where primary to secondary winding ratio is 1:1. So that's why it can produce high output, because 1:1 ratio maneই হচ্ছে you can apply whatever voltage you apply at the input, it will be transformed to the output. So even if the core is moved, if the input voltage is high, output voltage will remain high. We don't need additional amplifier to amplify the output of LVDT. LVDT also is very simple to construct. There is a core which is very light, and there are 2 coils, and there is a primary coil, so 3 coils. They're also stable because they are enclosed in a box. LVDT can tolerate a high value of shock or mechanical vibration. That is because of the arrangement. LVDT have low hysteresis and repeatability is excellent. Low hysteresis, why? Because being a transformer, the first requirement is low hysteresis. কারণ এটা basically works on a principle of transformer, that way keeps the hysteresis low. Repeatability মানে experiment যতবার তুমি করো, the output should be same. Say for instance, an LVDT produces 1 voltage for 5 millimeter, so it must always produce 1 voltage for 5 millimeter. And last point is a power consumption low. It is 1 watt power consumed for a maximum. And disadvantage হচ্ছে জায়গাটা অনেক বেশি, relatively large displacement is required for sufficiently large differential output. Why? Because it's still a transformer. There আমি কালকে বলেছিলাম রেসিডুয়াল ভোল্টেজ, কোনো যদি স্ট্রে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড থাকে, আশপাশ থেকে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড ঢুকে পড়ে, then LVDT will produce some voltage, and that can be reduced by magnetic shielding. যদি তোমরা শিল্ড করে দাও LVDT কে, there will be no problem with this kind of things. Output of LVDT may undergo changes due to vibration. If you want to measure vibration, then this is good. But if you are measuring displacement, then output should remain constant, but you will see that vibration is constantly causing your values to change, output electrical values to change. And this is bad, so that's a disadvantage. Another thing is, since you are getting an AC signal at the output, so finding the peak voltage requires additional circuitry. That additional circuitry is called demodulator. So you will have LVDT secondary, this is your connection, then you need to pass this to something called a demodulator network. Output of a demodulator is DC. Demodulator is a device that converts AC to DC, but the output voltage in the DC will be peak value of input AC. So here the phasor, AC phasor is converted into DC, but in rectifier the whole AC is converted into DC, but the phasor value is neglected. So demodulator will convert AC into DC with the phase value. So for instance, if there is a negative phase value, that means you are moving right, so there will be negative voltage according to our principle, then the output DC will be negative. But if this was a rectifier, output would have been positive. So demodulator is a complex but very different circuit. Then dynamic response of LVDT is fast, but limited by the weight of the core and frequency of AC applied. If you're moving that LVDT too fast, you won't get the adequate response. Why? Because the arm cannot move. The arm has some weight. So arm is connected to the core. So overall weight of the core will limit how fast you can change your change the arms, or how fast the LVDT respond. Secondly is the frequency of AC that is applied to primary. If your AC frequency is low, your LVDT won't respond to fast changing displacement. And last is temperature. Again, this one is responsible for residual. So this one, and there is a magnetic stray magnetic field, both produce residual voltage. So temperature and stray magnetic field, these are the two disadvantages of LVDT, additional disadvantages. Acha, ei obdi anyone has questions? Because this ends my topic for today. Ebare cholo, let's discuss. LVDT কালকে আমি পড়িয়েছিলাম। সো তোমাদের প্রশ্ন কি আছে বলো টিল নাও। Hello, do you people have any question? Okay, I guess যদি তোমাদের কারোর কিছু question না থাকে, from the next day I will start piezoelectric transducer. This finished my topic for today.